If you send the same email to multiple people over and over again, you already know how frustrating it is to type every single address manually. Well, today I'm going to show you the fastest and easiest way to fix that. Welcome to this full guide on how to create a distribution list in Outlook, also known as an email group. By the end of this video, you'll be able to send group emails in seconds with zero repetition. Let's get right into it. First, open your browser and log into Outlook Web through your Microsoft 365 portal. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, make sure to complete that verification so you can access your mailbox. Once you're inside Outlook Web, go to the Mail section. On the left-hand side, you'll see your folders, and just below that, a section for groups or people depending on your layout. This is where all distribution lists live. Look for the option that says New Group and click it. A setup window will pop up. Here, you need to enter your group name. This is mandatory and will act as a name you'll type when sending future emails. Beneath it, you can add an optional description to remind yourself what this group is for. When you're ready, hit Create. Now it's time to add your members. Select Add Members, then start typing the email addresses of the people you want included. Outlook will even suggest contacts you use often. Add as many as you need, and if you're in a rush, you can choose Not Now to skip this step and finish the setup later. The group will still be saved. Once your members are added, click Save. That's it. Your distribution list is now ready. From now on, sending group emails is as easy as typing the group name in the To field. Outlook will automatically include everyone in that group, saving you time, effort, and a whole lot of clicking. If this guide helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick, practical tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.